Abu Rayhan al-Biruni. Abu Rayhan al-Biruni has come up as the greatest and most famous scholar in the Islamic and Muslim community in the year 973. He was a mathematician and an astrologer in natural science. He distinguished himself as a historian, chronologist, plus linguist as well rather than an inventor. Being the historic, he knew many languages apart from his native languages as well. In 1017, he travelled the first time to India. After that, he had become the main person of the interpreter of India and Islamic world. That is why he was known as an inventor. He had also acquired a title by the name of the founder of Indology, which means a corporation between India and other Islamic countries. He was also a writer for the customs and creeds of various nations. He also did some contribution to the earth sciences. He was named Father of Geodesy, which is again collaboration between the two geographically different countries. Alexander Graham Bell. Alexander Graham Bell is one of the most popular scientists in the world that ever we had because of his practice only. We are talking now on the telephone. He invented the first practical telephone. He was not only a scientist but also an inventor, engineer and innovator. He was born on 3rd March 1847 in Scotland. The invention of the telephone was patented in 1876 by the US government. After the great invention of the telephone, Bell did not stop there. He invented so many things, including groundbreaking work in optical telecommunication, hydrofoils, and aeronautics. In 1888, he became one of the most talented origin members of the National Geographic Society. Graham Bell showed so much curiosity for the world and its things. He started experiments at his early stage of life with his neighbor friend. Graham Bell died because of diabetes on 2nd August 1922. Although he could not complete his degree in the youth, yet later many universities gave him many honorary degrees. Alexandre Alexeyev. Alexandre Alexeyev was a famous inventor who worked in the print screen that was made used in the making of films. The film shots usually use a whiteboard, which is known as pin screen. He used extraordinary blackboard in his films. The length that was possessed by this board is nearly 3 to 4 feet. This means that about millions of pins are easily headed on that board. After the complete covering the board with the pins, entire black surface appears in the front. Hence, in this way, many protocols are needed to be followed for making blackboards with pin screen. He made the first and foremost important protocol that consisted of perforated kind of grid where pins get easily inserted. He was also famous for the screen pictures that were made by him because he never drew sketches and worked directly on the pin screen board for his drawings. He perceived pictures on both sides of the screen. Alfred Bernhard Nobel. Alfred Bernhard Nobel was born in Sweden. Son of an engineer, he had spent a considerable time studying chemistry in Paris and working in the USA. He is best known for producing dynamite, which is believed to be a safe, manageable, and controllable form of nitroglycerin. He started producing the same in his own established factory, until his brother was killed there in an explosion in 1864. After being deeply shocked, he came up with a safer explosive called gelignite, which was again an important invention. Later on, he invented a form of smokeless power called pellistite, steel for armor plating, and artificial gutta percha. He is also famous for obtaining oil from Azerbaijan. Before he died, he expressed the wish to let his money and fortune to be used for offering the yearly Nobel Prizes in various fields such as literature, physics, chemistry, medicine, peace and economics. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.